Today we are going to be playing Talking Tom. Let's get started. Alright. I can't hear you. And the microphone at the position. No. I was born. I don't know. I don't really know. Tommy boy. What's this? Okay, that's it. You're gonna get beat. Oh. That's what I thought, you understand? What's this? How dare you scratch my screen? Now you're gonna get paid. Oh, that's what I thought. What's this? Let's give him some peppers. Yeah, eat that. Wait for now. Crazy jumps. What sandwich? Oh, it's faster. Stop. You just choked your whole head. Let's do milk. Ow! You burned my face! Now you're gonna get beat! Don't burn on my face! Don't burn in my face! Alright, who's your popsicle? Yummy. Oh, he's got his tongue. Oh no. He got yeeted on him. What's this? Let's do this one. What the heck? He turned into like an AK-47. He turned into like an AK-47. Alright. Okay, that's it. You're What's this button? What the heck? This is rain rot. What's this? No. Trash. Minigames? Hey, don't fart. Oh my god, there's so many games. Okay, if this video gets like 5 views, because I don't get that many views, I will play Talking Tom 2. So yeah. We're back. We're back. Oh, I'm not wearing at the correct time. Sorry if you see that, but it's okay. So let's go. I have one food. Turn to AK-47. Shut up! Oh. You. Anyway, this is for me playing, talking, Tom. Hope you like, subscribe, shut up. Anyways, this is for me playing, talking Tom. Hope you like, subscribe, and bye.